Hello, and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week. Every Monday at 8 a.m., we spotlight YouTube channels you'll learn from and Etsy stores we know that you'll enjoy. All the channels, shops, and Facebook pages introduced this week have clickable links below the video. If you'd like to be featured, subscribe to the Facebook groups of the UCC members. Each one you subscribe to increases your chance to be featured, as one site is randomly chosen from each list every week. Don't forget to like and share this video. The first choice of the week, selected by Robin Espich, is Rebecca Mathews. Have fabric, will sew. That is my motto. I am a creative person who loves working with color, texture, pattern, and paint, whether on fabric, paper, wood, or glass. I have over 38 years of experience as a tailor dressmaker and have made everything from children's clothing to wedding dresses. My crafting goal is to create items with both form and function. My style is influenced by vintage ephemera from French country designs in the Victorian era. In my digital art and design, I use mostly my own photography with added ephemera from the public domain. One of the most relaxing ways for me to spend an evening is walking through a flower garden with a macro lens on my camera. I started my channel to share simple how-tos that I have learned while paper crafting, as well as showcase a few things that I have made and have available for purchase. The second choice of the week, selected by Teri S, is Gillian Farago. I've been making junk journals for about 4 or 5 years. The ones I enjoy most are those I make for other people. It gives me great joy to create especially for them. As well as my YouTube channel, I also have an Instagram account in my name, but mostly have fun sharing in various Facebook groups. The UCC founders are Robin Espich, founder, Teri S, co-founder. Thank you for joining us with this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week. We will see you again Monday at 8 a.m. with the next UCC YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week and even more excellent YouTube channels and Etsy stores.